What's up, guys? We are now entering the town of Grandavik here in Iceland, heading towards the volcano eruption in Fagradalsfjall. It is August 15th, 2022, and you can see to my left where the eruption area is. It is almost nighttime here in Iceland. We are now in the downtown area of Grandavik. So here's a nice little cafe. There's the supermarket here in Grandavik. Here's the N1. They have amazing burgers, fish and chips, and ice cream cones. This is the city. This is the downtown area just before getting into the volcano eruption area. So we're gonna make the left here. Route 427, which leads us to the volcano, which is straight ahead. As you can see, that's the cloud, the puff smoke that's coming from the eruption area. There is a lot of people here. Look at this, jeez. Hundreds. Batteries, stayed there for like 3 hours, but it is amazing. It is amazing. This volcano might be bigger than the last year's, so if you missed last year's, highly recommend try to make it out here to Iceland and check this volcano out. So I'll just show you back here the sunrise, beautiful colors right now rising from the horizon. And yeah, the volcano has resurrected again. It's back, and that is why it is the best show on earth again. See ya.